So to markets, your thing, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. My understanding is, or my thinking is, that what they want to do is to try and get money, Chinese money that's gone into bonds, Chinese bonds, into gold, into crypto, into dollar accounts offshore, into maybe Mag 7 stocks in the U.S., right? They want that to go back into the A-share market, right? How are they going to do that?
Yeah, it has to come. I think the symposium that was just mentioned, I think is a good idea. I mean, maybe not so much for the Asia, certainly for the Hong Kong side, and there's fruit trains also happening on this. So I was also quite impressed. Right? So from the regulatory side, what we saw from say end of 2020 to 23, and what we're seeing now that basically culminated in the symposium, is a very clear shift of how the regulatory side is viewed now also by the government, which means, right, for the internet stocks, for example, which if you count all the platforms, and it's about 40% of the MSCI China, it's a large part, right? So if you get there, and the valuations, I mean, if you compare them to US stocks, right, it's still like 40% discount.
Bombas at 10x, it's crazy, right? But I mean, to your point, right? Most of these names are listed in Hong Kong, H-shares, and I mean ADRs as well, right? But H-shares, which is why H's are at a premium to A's. Don't they want the A's to come up as well?
Yeah, there's also technology stocks, maybe not so much the platforms, right? There's technology stocks in there, and if also consumption, right? And if they are successful and that sort of revives a little bit, then you also see an effect there.